Hey guys, in this video I'm just going to give you a quick tour around the FB Social Deals admin area. So first thing, once you install this app via our installer, you're going to see your dashboard here. This is the one I've set up already, and I've got all my different deals listed in here. So over here you've got a preview button, so you can preview the deal, see what it looks like. You've got an add to Facebook button, which does all the stuff to add the app to your page. You can edit your existing deal or you can delete it. Then up at the top we've got options here for creating a new deal, viewing all the users who have fulfilled the deal already, and then you can just log back out. So I'm just going to go into one of the existing deals because that can best illustrate the different features that are on the individual options. Okay, so I'm just going to click edit, and right away we go in here. We can see you can control the title, the headline, all the deal description content. You can upload your own image, which displays to the left of the deal, pricing, and you can set up to whether you use PayPal or a third-party link like Warrior Plus, ProductPay, or JVZoo, something like that. You can just controls the options. You pick the expiry date here, the time and the date, and it also gives you the system time here. This is important because the countdown runs off the system time. It doesn't run off the person's clock on their own computer, because it could be 5 p.m. here, it could be 1 p.m. where you are, so it's going to mess up if you do that. So that's a big feature. We have all these pre-defined styles you can choose from for the header, or you can upload your own image. Pops it up there. Then we get down to the Facebook settings. Now the Facebook settings are pretty flexible. Some people will want to turn off the different permissions things and just let people straight in, so you can do that if you want. But the first thing we have here is the invite option. So I'll show you this now in the front end, but you can either have it send people a message to their message box in Facebook, or you can have it invite friends via the more traditional friend inviter. Then you have to define your Facebook URL in here. That's important, so it sends them the right link to it. Now we have permissions, wall permissions, so you can turn this off or on. If you turn it to yes, then you define the image that gets posted to the user's wall, the title, and the comment. So this can be turned off if you don't want people to have to go through that step. And there's also a like gate or a fan gate, so you upload your image for that, and again you can turn this off and on, and this means if you leave it as yes, they have to click like to get access to the page, so you can remove that barrier if you want. And just connected to the wall post, that's actually a permissions based thing in Facebook. Now it's quite common now, so there's no problem using it, but that means it can hook into your autoresponder. We've got support here for MailChimp, Aweber, and GetResponse, and you just edit your information there, and that'll add the user's Facebook email to your list. Then we have the terms and conditions box, which you should complete, a privacy policy box, and then we have an area for more content in the bottom. Now this one's pretty cool because you can add whatever you want. You can add text, whatever images you want, We've even got a box here for you can add video, and just brings it up with all that. You've got all your URL and stuff, so YouTube videos, whatever you want. It's pretty flexible. Then at the very bottom, just scroll down here, you have a custom expiry message. So this means once the deal expires, it's going to show the full price link, and you can put whatever message you want down here, and then you just save changes, and that's your deal setup. So I'm just going to show you this in the front end now, so I can explain a few of those things a bit more clearly. So here we go, just on the demo page I've set up for this Facebook YouTube software. So first thing is I've turned like gate on, so someone has to click like, and remember you can turn this off as well, so if you want to turn it off they just get straight into the deal page. So I click like here now. Now it asks me permission for my basic info and my email address, which is fairly standard these days in Facebook, so that's fine. I want to go to the app, and it wants permission to post to the wall, so I'm going to allow that. And remember, if you're worried about people having to either of those are optional, so you can turn them off and just try to get more eyeballs on the actual deal if that's your concern. But if you want to capture the leads and stuff and have it go viral by posting on walls, then you can turn those permissions on. So here we see the actual deal page I've set up now. As you can see, this one is expired, so I'm just going to backtrack for a second here. I'm going to edit the deal, and I'm going to set the expiry time to, it says here it's 12:49, so I'm going to set it to 12:51, just so you can see it changing live. I'm going to update that, go back here and refresh. So here you can see a live countdown now. It's counting down 50 seconds, so I'm just going to pause the video rather than let it run. Okay, we're just coming up to 10 seconds left now, and remember this clock is based on the server, so no matter where someone is in the world, it's going to be going off the same timer here, which is very important, especially if you have a substantial deal. So 3, 2, 1, 0, and you can see now without me doing anything, it's automatically expired the deal. They can't click the buy now button up here. The deal price, the previous price was $9. So now if they click buy now, jumps over to PayPal, and you can see now it's going to cost $37, which is the full price. And just to show you that working, I'll go back and edit the expiry here again. I'll put a few hours time. I'm going to update this. Once we reload the page, you'll see the timer again. Here you see you've got a couple hours left, and when I click buy now, it'll bring me to PayPal, and this time it'll be the $9 price. There you can see it now, so that's how they get the deal, and that all runs automatic on autopilot. So it's very simple, very easy to set up. And then you've got your custom content area here at the bottom. You have terms and conditions box, privacy policy box, and the invite friends function. So it's popped up here. So you can send the message here, and it'll send them the link as well. And you can also do that as a normal friend inviter. So let's just jump over to my timeline and my test account here, and here you can see it posted to my wall. It's got the image, it's got the title, the text that I added, all that sort of stuff. So if someone sees this on my wall now and clicks on it, then obviously we can present it with the like it and everything as well. So there you see the whole thing working. One last little option to show you back here, and that's the view users. So if you click view users, you can see all the people who have opted in or who have connected to your app, and then that's all in your database, so you can do whatever you want with that data then within the permissions. So that's FB Social Deals, guys. Hopefully you like it. It's very powerful. It's something I built myself for using with clients and to run my own offers. So guarantee it's going to get great results for you, and it's something that you can really do very well with, and something that'll be in big demand with your clients.